Time to learn and have fun. Learning time has just begun. We're gonna have fun, just wait and see. We invite you to classroom 14. Classroom 14. Classroom 14. Oh, classroom 14. Classroom 14. Oh, classroom 14. Welcome to classroom 14. Classroom 14. Welcome to classroom 14.
Welcome back, class.
Welcome back.
Hey,
It's your teachers, Mr.
King and Mrs. Sybil.
Hi.
The great.
Yeah. We are awesome.
So we are here. I know you see all of these supplies on our table.
A lot of stuff.
Today we're going to do a little art project related to the book we read earlier, Rabbits and Raindrops
Right.
by Jim Arnowski.
Yes, you guys remember the story? Mr. King went through. It was a very exciting story, right?
Yeah, we had the 5 little baby brother and sister bunny rabbits learning to be independent, just like their mother,
Mm-hmm.
and learn how to take care of themselves.
And they were outside. Beautiful day, rainy day.
Rainy day became
Yes.
a sunny day, and they met grasshoppers and spiders
Oh, my.
and lizards and snails.
Good. Awesome. So what we're gonna do today, as Mr. King mentioned, we are going to tag our activity to the book. So first, now remember, if you're at home and you do want to do this, make sure you ask mommy and daddy
Yep.
and look around to see what you can find and just gather all the things you can find, and just because you never know, you can make some weird things with piece of paper,
Yeah.
glue,
Old pieces of paper,
Yeah.
old mail, old
Yeah.
newspapers,
Cottons.
magazines. Yep, cotton balls.
balls, anything you can find, you can make an art project with.
Mhm.
Okay. So right now, what we have on the table, Mr. King?
We have glue,
Glue, right?
Yeah.
Glue things together. We have a ruler,
ruler, so we can measure things.
measure things, right? We have
Buttons.
buttons, can use to do different things,
Create faces.
Yes. We have different markers.
Giant markers.
Yes. We also have.
Scissors.
That's dangerous, guys. Remember, you do not point this at nobody. You don't try to cut yourself.
You don't cut hair.
No, or the curtains, and none of that. So we make sure when we're using your scissors, you take it away from you and you hold it right properly so you can do your cutting.
Yeah.
All right. So what else we have? Papers, right? Right? Constructions papers. Very important to have. And pretty much, right? And we have a few other things. What do we have here?
Popsicle sticks.
Popsicle sticks.
Index cards.
Index cards, pipe.
Yeah.
And then pretty much that should be, we should be okay to start our project.
Let's
Our
see what
project.
we use.
Let's see what we're gonna make. So we wanna create today a landscape
Yeah.
of the rabbits.
Kind of like the drawing I made outside.
Yes, you guys remember we're outside today. So Mr. King did that beautiful drawing. You guys were outside, so we're gonna see if we can duplicate that with the 3D aspect, right? See?
Okay, let's get started.
So first, I have my piece of paper, and mine is yellow. Yellow.
I have red.
Mr. King has red. Now we're about to see if we can create a cloud. The clouds in the sky.
We're gonna use cotton balls.
Cotton balls to create clouds. How is that possible? Well, first cotton balls is soft, and it's what color it is? White, just like clouds. clouds are white, so we're using cotton balls. Cotton balls. Cotton balls, Mr. King. All right, so I'm gonna spread my cotton balls. Make sure I can spread them all around, right? And I'm gonna make sure they all look like a cloud.
And really fluffy.
Fluffy. That's the word, fluffy. So I think I got a good amount of cotton. Oh,
See, we went two different directions.
yes. That's okay because not every places look the same, right?
That's true.
Yes. You remember we talked about the world, how the world, what's formed the world, it's soil and water and air.
Mm-hmm.
Now, different places might be having the same thing, however, they don't look like the same. So they may have water, soil, and air, but they have a different shape. That's how we look like. Landscape look different shape, different places. So, all right. So we're gonna be using glue to make sure our cotton balls that's pretend to be clouds can stay together. So I'm gonna using glue. Okay, I'm putting my glue, kind of dropping a lot of, just some glue. Pass it on to Mr. King.
Thank you. Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring, right, Jackson? That's right, Jenny. Sharing is caring. Yes, India. I hope you guys can do this with us at the same time. You guys are home, right? Asking your mom for maybe some cotton balls, right?
I was made glue, so.
Okay. All right. So guys, remember that we are creating our own landscape of the rabbit raindrops. So I have my clouds, one corner of the sky. My world is yellow, okay? You can create your own world, whatever color you want it to be. Mine is yellow.
Mine is red.
Mm-hmm. That's right. But our clouds still the same color, white. So I got my clouds up there. So, what else, Mr. King? So we need, what else?
Grass.
No, but what's coming from the cloud? It's a rainy
Rain.
day. So
Water.
we need water, right? So what can we use pretending to be water?
Real water.
Real water. What color is water?
Blue.
Blue. Looks like blue. Clear.
The ocean is blue.
The ocean is blue, right? So we're thinking water is blue. Okay, so we have to cut water drops. Okay, Mr. King, you do the cutting. Water drops. So Mr. King about to cut water drops. You got the other one, okay? So
Yeah, I'm gonna use this.
yeah, okay. So we need some water drops. Now remember, guys, water drops can be different size. So some water drops are big. If it's raining a lot heavily, it's bigger. Some of them might be smaller if it's just start raining. So, we have small water drops pre-cut. Now Mr. King cutting a little bigger size of water drops so we can pretty much create that scene of the clouds, water's coming from the clouds. So I can't wait to see the front of my picture. Okay.
Water drop.
Water drops. All right. So we got water drops. So we about to hang our water drops. Thank you, Mr.
I'll
King.
use it.
Okay. So just we're gonna have different type of water drops. Okay, different size. Okay. So we have water drops coming from the cloud. It is a rainy day, right? So I'm gonna use different size of water drops. Okay, guys? So I got small, big, different size of water drops. There we go. So now remember, if you want to do this at home, You can ask your mommy and daddy for to gather the supplies for you, and you can easily, and be careful with the scissors when you're using it. So to create your own landscape, and you can do this based actually. You can use any books you're reading, and you can pick up activities from your book and create a new scenario from your book. So this is my clouds, and this is my water drops. Is it looking okay so far? I got deep water drops, medium one, and small. So it looks very cloudy there. So, this is Mr. King. Oh, Mr. King has clouds all over the place.
Yeah, I have clouds everywhere.
Yes. Oh, in Mr. King town, it's raining a lot. Mine is only one side of the town that's raining, guys. Okay, so next, what we're gonna do, we need flowers, because if it's spring, we need flowers, and we need to see some grass. Don't you agree?
Grass.
Grass. So, we're gonna use this. What shape is this, Mr. King?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Very long rectangle shape.
Long rectangle.
Very long. So, we wanna create the grass, right? I'm gonna use my scissors again. Do we find grass? Is grass up or down the earth? Where do we see grass? Okay, guys, you guys don't have to scream like that. I know. It's on the grass, down, right? On the ground.
Our feet.
Okay, we walk on the grass. Okay, all right, I hear you. So I am creating my grass. Now remember, grass are very, you can call that when you're doing it. So how is grass again, guys? How do we call this little piece of grass?
Itchy.
Itchy, and what else? What else? Like, the little piece of grass.
So yours looks cool. How about doing something?
How do we call that? Before I start talking, how do we call that?
I don't know.
Oh,
I don't know where you're going. Honestly, I'm lost.
Okay. Itchy and okay. Anyway, yes, guys, I'm cutting my grass. Now remember, grass is very itchy, right? And some grass are taller than the other. That's why sometimes mommy at home or daddy, they have to do their grass, right? So this is my grass. I just cut and make sure I have a little piece of grass everywhere. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna do
I'm
this.
sad. Yours looks better than mine.
No, guys, Mr. King is sad. So come on, Mr. King, you got a perfect grass. Your grass is just being mowed, long. It's look perfect, right? Just look, it's just caught. His grass just being caught, so it's perfect. Mine needs to be streamed, right? Needs to be done. Okay. So Mr. King already have his grass down. I am about to glue my grass down. There we go. It's my grass. Grass. Right? Okay. So, putting that a big long piece of rectangle grass all the way in the bottom of my paper. Right? Here we go. This is my grass and my cloud and my raindrops. Can you see, Mr. King? Good.
I added some.
Yes. See, he uses my imagination. He's being very creative, right? Okay. So now, what else we need? It's raining. It's
Flowers.
grass. It's spring. So I think we need what? Flower.
Plants.
Yeah. So look at this flower, guys. Right? It's a mixture of
Different shapes.
What shapes we have there?
I see a circle in the middle and ovals.
Oval all around. So let's see if we can replicate that same flower inside our landscape paper. Okay? Ta-da! Let's see. We're gonna try to see if we can have a circle. Remember, when you hold your scissors, guys, make sure you hold it away from your body. And you make sure you hold your paper very firmly, okay? Be strong. Use your fingers while you're holding your cutting your papers, guys.
And don't move too fast.
And don't move too fast, very important. So here we go. Cut my little circle. I have two. Remember, sharing is caring.
Thank you.
Give one to Mr. King. So I'm gonna use my circle right here. And we did some pre-cutting, what shape is this? Oval. So we're gonna use this oval around our circle to create that look of a flower. You see, I'm just adding some glue. Glue is very important when you do art projects, right? So glue make things easy. You can just glue them, right?
Stick together.
Right. Stick together. So I have my petals of flowers. Mine are red. Mr. King, gonna have to use a different color, guys, because his world is red already, right? That's right. So.
Can you pass me another color, Miss Susan?
Yes, I sure will. Okay, what other color would you like?
Purple.
Purple. Yes.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. So, now I'm getting my oval little petals. I'm gonna put it around my circle to create a flower. Alright, guys. Okay. This one needs more glue. Let's create more glue. Okay. Alright, Mr. King. Use your flowers coming along?
It's trying.
Alright. I'm sure it
I
is.
have to cut my petals out.
Okay.
Let's see.
So, let's see. Okay. Here we go. So, I've got my petals down, guys. Got my petals down. Right? See that? Got my clouds, my raindrops, my grass, flower. So, then I'm gonna use, waiting for me, okay? Then I'm gonna use, guys, a stick.
A stick.
You wanna know what I'm gonna do with the stick, Mr. King?
What are you gonna do with the stick?
Well, I'm gonna use my imagination and my creativity. So I'm gonna use the stick to hold on to a body for my flower.
For the stem.
For the stem. Thank you. Yes. You know? Well, there we go. So, I'm gonna use more glue. I'm gonna use the stick as a stem for my flower. And guys, remember, to spring, that's when people do a lot of planting. So we'll be talking about seeds, how plants grow, you know, how we use seeds to grow plants. So, you know, just be ready for that. Okay, next week we'll be talking more about that. But so far, that's my stem, and that's my flower, that's my grass, and clouds, and raindrops. You can see it? Nice. Now waiting for Mr. King.
As
Mr.
always.
King looks good. His lips look really good, right? Let's see. And maybe next time, guys, remember again, through springs, there's a lot of things happening outside. We have birds, butterflies. So maybe next time, ta-da, it is very pretty, guys. Look at it. Look at Mr. King landscape. So maybe next time we can add, we're gonna keep our drawing, right?
Okay.
Because the story never ends, right? So we can add maybe butterflies, birds into our rabbits. We will add definitely rabbits into our story next time. So, but so far that's what we have. This is the rabbits are not there yet, but we have our world, right? This is the landscape. We have our clouds,
Different
raindrops,
size raindrops.
different size of raindrops,
Itchy grass.
itchy grass, and very nice cut grass. And we have our nice looking flower, right? With the stem and everything looking good. Hope you guys enjoyed that, right? And hope you guys can do the same at home too with your parents.
Hope so.
So we have a messy, very table full of stuff. So until next time for our next art project, we'll see you next time. Okay?
Bye.
Bye. See you guys next time.